In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Behance file. By the end, you'll know how to save original images from your own Behance projects, export a project page as a PDF, and what to do when you are viewing work from other creators. Let's start with your own project. Open your project editor on Behance. When you hover your mouse over an image inside the editor, you'll see a small blue pencil icon appear on the image. Click that icon to reveal the edit options for that specific asset. Then select Download Original. This pulls down the full resolution file that you uploaded, which is ideal if you need the exact quality for your portfolio. Client handoff or archiving. Depending on the size of the image and your connection, it may take a moment, so give it time to finish downloading before moving on. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember and keep the original file name if version tracking matters to you. If you want a clean snapshot of the entire project page, images, text, and layout together, use your browser's built-in print to PDF feature. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. In the print dialog that appears, change the destination or printer to save as PDF. Review the preview, adjust orientation or margins if needed so your project looks the way you expect. Then click Save. Choose a location and a clear file name and you'll have a PDF version of the page that's convenient for sharing or quick reviews. Now, when you are viewing public projects created by other people, the approach is different. If you simply need to save an image that's visible in the project, right-click the image and choose Save Image as in your browser. On a trackpad or Mac, a control click does the same thing. Pick a folder and a file name, and save. However, if a project is marked All Rights Reserved or doesn't allow downloading, you must contact the creator. Respect the license and the artist's preferences. Reach out and explain what you need, whether it's permission to use the image, a higher resolution file, or a specific format. Wait for their response before using the work. That's it. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.